Hi there, I'm Kerri Lawless, and I have a great home to show you today. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home located in Covington, right next to Abita Springs. This home has so much curb appeal. You drive on up and you see this adorable picket fence, the really cute porch, and this raised house just has so much charm. And on the inside, completely renovated. Let's go check it out. When you enter this home, the first room that you come into is the living room. And as you can see, this is a great amount of space. All the walls have been completely redone and painted. The flooring is brand new and no popcorn ceiling, my favorite. Now, because this is an open floor plan, you enter right into the kitchen. Perfect place for a dining table here. Then we have brand new everything. Brand new kitchen cabinets, brand new neutral colored granite, brand new stainless appliances, and even a great pantry. Another thing about this house is there are double insulated windows everywhere. It just feels amazing. So much more to see. Let's go check it out. As we walk down the hall, we step into the first of the 4 bedrooms. And as you can see, like the front of the house, completely everything painted and fresh, new, and updated. Then, as we walk across the hall, we step into the shared bath. Look at the fixtures. They're so modern. Everything just feels fresh and clean in here. And then we've got lots of storage on this side. No shortage of room for all of your things. Then, as we go down the hall, we step into the second of the 4 bedrooms. And as you can see, this room is very similar to the first one. One of the things I love so much about these bedrooms is there's lots of natural light flooding in from those big windows. Now, coming to the end of the hall, we're going to go into the 3rd bedroom. And again, very similar, but this one looks onto the backyard. Again, lots of natural light. Next, we're going to check out the primary. This room is really a good size, and again, flooded with natural light. One of the things I love about this room is that you're waking up to this really nice, serene view of the backyard. Also, what I love is that there's a really nice size walk-in closet, and then we step into the ensuite. This has been completely updated. As you can see with this vanity, it's modern, everything has been replaced, and it's all brand new. The other thing about the whole house that I really like is, I mentioned it was all new flooring, but it is vinyl plank. And of course, we all know how durable and waterproof that material is. It's really, really practical. All right, let's check out the backyard. One of my favorite things about this house is the backyard. It is fenced all the way around. It is very roomy back here. There is a great shed to store all of your things. And because this is a corner lot, there's rear yard access from the side over here, which is very convenient. Makes it a much more versatile space. This is a great home. Make your appointment today. I'm Kerri Lawless.